Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to reset oil on Infiniti Q50 full guide. Start by parking on level ground and switching ignition to on without starting the engine. Next, use the steering wheel control pad to open the vehicle information menu and find the maintenance section. Select oil life, confirm the reset when prompted, and verify the oil life shows 100% before turning off the ignition. Begin at the vehicle information display and press the directional pad to reach settings. Scroll to Maintenance, select Oil Life, and press OK to begin the reset sequence. When prompted, confirm the reset and wait for the system to update the display to 100% oil life. Double-check the dashboard and vehicle information screen to ensure the reset saved correctly before you drive off. If you do not see the maintenance menu, cycle the ignition off then back to on and retry the steps. Avoid disconnecting the battery unless necessary, since that can reset radio presets and other settings. If an error persists, review the owner manual for trim-specific instructions or visit a dealer if warning lights remain after completing the reset process.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.